Hello my dear students and welcome to my channel. Today I am ready to teach you ICT lesson 11 to grade 11 ICT textbook. Lesson number 4, use of multimedia. Firstly, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and set notification on. In chapter 4, we discuss about digital graphic and compression of a graphic. Now we discuss about graphics type. Digital graphics fall into two main categories. First one is raster graphic and the second one vector graphic. The types of graphic is decided according to the graphical software used. Okay, now we learn about raster graphic. Creation of the graphics array of pixels in different colors and no file records. Quality is lost when the size changes. Therefore, not suitable for high quality creations. Creations and saving uses less memory space. Computer speed in creation does not change. Those are the features of raster graphic. Now we learn about what are the examples for raster graphic software. Adobe Image Ready, Adobe Photoshop, Pro Art Rage, Art Weaver, Corel Photo Paint, GIMP. I hope to teach you about GIMP software in near future. Deluxe Paint, GIMP Shop, Microsoft Photo Editor. Okay, now you know what are the examples for raster graphic software. Adobe Image Ready, Adobe Photoshop, Pro Art Rage, Art Weaver, Corel Photo Paint, GIMP, Deluxe Paint, GIMP Shop, Microsoft Photo Editor are some of examples. Okay, now we discuss about vector graphic. Creation of the graphics by collection of straight or curved lines, and the maintains a record of the start and the end, number of lines, straight and curved lines and color use. Quality is not lost when the size changes. Therefore, it is very suitable for high quality creations. Creations and saving needs more memory space. Computer speed in creations are reduces. Okay, now we learn about what are the examples for vector graphic software. Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Live Motion, Corel Paint Shop Pro, Adobe Fireworks, Microsoft Expression Design, Draw Plus, Extra Photo and Graphic Designer, Corel Draw. This is the most suitable vector graphic software. I hope to teach you Corel Draw in near future. Lita Paint. Okay, now you know raster graphic software and vector graphic software. Not only that, mobile applications also. Okay, let's learn about what are the examples for mobile application. Adobe Illustrator Draw, Medibank Paint, Art Studio for iPad, Adobe Photoshop Sketch, Adobe Lightroom are some of examples. Now you know what are the differences of raster and vector graphics. Look at this picture. Now you can see in the top of image graphic to be created. And there are two types of images. First one is created using vector graphic and enlarge. And the second one created using raster graphic and enlarge. Let's see another examples. In this picture, you can see two types of trees. First one is created using raster graphic and the second one is created using vector graphic. Now you can clearly understand what are the differences of raster and vector graphic. So here we'll see what are the file extensions of raster and vector graphic. First one is JPEG. It means Joint Photographic Expert Group. Second one, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. Third one, PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Those are some examples of file extension in raster graphic. Next one, vector graphic file extension. SVG format. SVG means Scalable Vector Graphics. Okay, now the time is for exercise. Exercise number 3, question number 1. What is the mean of raster and vector graphics? Second one, make a list of differences between raster and vector graphic. Question number 3, given 5 examples for raster graphic software. Question number 4, give 5 examples for vector graphic software. Please follow the video and write down suitable answers for these questions. Okay. See you again next day. Have a nice day. Goodbye.